Have you ever thought that oatmeal might be bad for you? This food, often considered healthy, has some very problematic downsides to its consumption. So, come on and join us as we show you why you should think twice before eating oatmeal again. Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that might make you rethink your breakfast choices: oatmeal. While oatmeal is often hailed as a healthy staple, there are some negative sides you should be aware of. In this video, we'll explore the complexities of oatmeal, from its nutritional profile to its potential health risks, and provide you with some alternative options. Let's get started. What is oatmeal? Oatmeal is a popular breakfast food made from oats, which are hulled and cleaned grains of the oat plant. There are several forms of oatmeal, including rolled oats, steel-cut oats, and instant oats, each varying in texture and cooking time. Oats are praised for their high fiber content, particularly beta-glucan, which is known to lower cholesterol levels. They also provide a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, despite these benefits, oatmeal is not the perfect food anyone would think. What are the downsides of eating oatmeal? While oatmeal is often considered a health food by most people, it has some very problematic downsides that you need to take into account before eating it again. 1. High glycemic index. Instant oats, in particular, can cause spikes in blood sugar levels due to their high glycemic index. This means a spike in insulin levels too. 2. Phytic acid content. Oats contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can bind to minerals like iron, calcium, and zinc, inhibiting their absorption. 3. Gluten contamination. Although oats are naturally gluten-free, they are often processed in facilities that handle gluten-containing grains, leading to cross-contamination. 4. Digestive issues. Some individuals may experience bloating and gas due to the high fiber content of oats. 5. Allergic reactions. Rarely, some people may have an allergy to avenin, a protein found in oats. 6. Pesticides. Oatmeal has long been celebrated for its high fiber content and ability to keep you full and satisfied. However, what many people don't realize is that their seemingly wholesome bowl of oatmeal could be harboring some unwelcome and very toxic guests. Pesticides in oatmeal. What do you need to know? Glyphosate presence. One of the most alarming discoveries in recent years is the presence of glyphosate in oatmeal. Glyphosate is a widely used herbicide, commonly known by its brand name, Roundup. It's used to kill weeds and dry out crops, but its residue often remains on the food products we consume. Health risks. Long-term exposure to glyphosate has been linked to various health issues, including leaky gut syndrome, cancer, hormonal disruptions, and negative effects on the liver and kidneys. Consuming even small amounts regularly could potentially pose significant health risks over time. While regulatory agencies set limits on the amount of glyphosate that can be present in food, these limits are based on poor and varying standards, and what's considered safe can differ significantly between countries. What is the downside of toxic oatmeal? Chemical residues. Non-organic oats are often treated with synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. These chemicals leave residues on the oats that are then consumed by us, leading to potential health risks. Low nutrient quality. Studies have shown that organic foods often have higher nutrient levels compared to their non-organic counterparts. Non-organic oatmeal cannot provide the same level of nutrients as organic oatmeal, reducing its health benefits. Environmental impact. The cultivation of non-organic oats often involves practices that are harmful to the environment. Pesticides and fertilizers can contaminate soil and water, harming wildlife and contributing to environmental degradation. Reduced biodiversity. The farming practices used for non-organic oats can reduce biodiversity. Pesticides and herbicides can kill not just the target pests but also beneficial insects and plants, disrupting the local ecosystem. Oatmeal production. Oatmeal production involves several steps, starting with the harvesting of oat grains. These grains are then cleaned, dehulled, and steamed. For rolled oats, the grains are flattened with large rollers, while steel-cut oats are simply chopped into pieces. Instant oats undergo further processing to make them cook faster, which can increase their glycemic index. The relation between oatmeal and gluten. Oats themselves do not contain gluten. They are commonly processed in facilities that handle wheat, barley, and rye, leading to cross-contamination. Gluten is an element that is also known for being a gut offender, so avoid it at all costs. Also, for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, this can pose a significant health risk. If you are going to eat oatmeal, it's essential to look for certified organic and gluten-free oats if you need to avoid gluten completely. What is phytic acid and its effects on health? Phytic acid, or phytate, is a compound found in plant seeds, including oats. It may act as an antioxidant but also has the downside of binding minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, making them less available for absorption in the digestive tract. While phytic acid may be beneficial in small amounts due to its antioxidant properties, excessive consumption can contribute to mineral deficiencies, especially if the diet is already lacking in these nutrients, which is pretty common nowadays. Is there a relation between oatmeal and leaky gut? Leaky gut syndrome is a condition where the intestinal lining becomes permeable, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and pathogens to enter the bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation and an immune response. The residual pesticides and fiber content in oats can produce leaky gut syndrome or exacerbate its symptoms in sensitive individuals by irritating the gut lining. Additionally, gluten contamination in oats could also contribute to intestinal permeability in most people. Does oatmeal produce high blood glucose and high insulin levels? Oats, due to their high glycemic index, can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, followed by a surge in insulin. This rollercoaster effect can be particularly problematic for individuals with insulin resistance, prediabetes or diabetes, as it may exacerbate blood sugar management issues. Consistently high insulin levels can also contribute to weight gain, obesity, and other metabolic disorders. Does oatmeal produce chronic inflammation? Chronic inflammation is a condition linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. While oats contain antioxidants, their high glycemic index, pesticides, gluten content, and potential for causing digestive distress in some individuals contribute to chronic inflammation. For those who experience adverse reactions to oats, it can be beneficial to seek alternative foods that support anti-inflammatory pathways without causing spikes in blood sugar or digestive discomfort. Oatmeal relation to allergies. Although rare, some people may have an allergy to avenin, a protein found in oats. Symptoms of an oat allergy can include skin rashes, gastrointestinal issues, and respiratory problems. For those with a known oat allergy, complete avoidance is necessary to prevent adverse reactions. What are some options for replacing oatmeal? If you're looking to reduce or eliminate oatmeal from your diet, there are several nutritious alternatives to consider. Quinoa, a high-protein, gluten-free carb that cooks quickly and offers a complete amino acid profile. Chia pudding, made from chia seeds soaked in liquid, this option is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. Flax cake, made from grounded flax seeds soaked in liquid, cocoa powder, healthy sweetener, and butter. This option is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and antioxidants too. Buckwheat. Despite its name, buckwheat is gluten-free and provides a good source of protein, fiber, and essential minerals. Millet. A gluten-free grain that is easy to digest and packed with vitamins and minerals. Coconut flakes. Unsweetened coconut flakes can be a great base for a low-carb, high-fiber breakfast alternative. These options can offer variety and additional nutritional benefits while avoiding some of the potential downsides associated with oatmeal. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, oatmeal has long been touted as a wholesome and nutritious breakfast option, beloved by many for its high fiber content. However, despite these benefits, oatmeal is not the perfect food that most people thought it was, and there are several important considerations to keep in mind that will make you think twice before eating oatmeal again. 1. High glycemic index. Instant oats, in particular, can cause spikes in blood sugar levels due to their high glycemic index. This can be problematic for individuals managing diabetes or insulin resistance. 2. Phytic acid content. Oats contain phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can bind to minerals like iron, calcium, and zinc, inhibiting their absorption. 3. Potential for gluten contamination. Although oats are naturally gluten-free, but they are often processed in facilities that handle gluten-containing grains, leading to cross-contamination. This can pose significant health risks for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. 4. Digestive issues. The high fiber content in oats can cause bloating and gas in some individuals, leading to discomfort. 5. Allergic reactions. Some people may have an allergy to avenin, a protein found in oats. Symptoms can include skin rashes, gastrointestinal issues, and respiratory problems. 6. Pesticides. Non-organic oats are often treated with synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. Glyphosate, a widely used herbicide, has been found in many oat products. Long-term exposure to glyphosate has been linked to various health issues, including leaky gut syndrome, cancer, hormonal disruptions, and negative effects on the liver and kidneys. For individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, this can pose a significant health risk. It's essential to look for certified gluten-free oats if you need to avoid gluten completely. Also, phytic acid, or phytate, is a compound found in plant seeds, including oats. Excessive consumption of phytic acid can contribute to mineral deficiencies, which are already common in many diets today. Leaky gut syndrome is a condition where the intestinal lining becomes permeable, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and pathogens to enter the bloodstream. The gluten content, residual pesticides, and fiber in oats can exacerbate leaky gut symptoms in sensitive individuals by irritating the gut lining. This can trigger inflammation and an immune response, contributing to various health issues. Oats can cause rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, particularly instant oats with their high glycemic index. This can lead to a surge in insulin, which is problematic for those with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or diabetes. Consistently high insulin levels can also contribute to weight gain and other metabolic disorders. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. While oats contain antioxidants, their high glycemic index, potential for pesticide contamination, and digestive distress can contribute to chronic inflammation. Symptoms of an oat allergy can include skin rashes, gastrointestinal issues, and respiratory problems. Complete avoidance is necessary for those with a known oat allergy to prevent adverse reactions. So, if you're looking to reduce or eliminate oatmeal from your diet, there are several nutritious alternatives to consider. Quinoa, chia pudding, flax chocolate cake, buckwheat, unsweetened coconut flakes. These alternatives offer variety and additional nutritional benefits while avoiding the downsides associated with oatmeal. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.